2 years from the announcement of the concept car in the January 2006 Detroit Auto Show, the commercial version of the Camaro made its appearance in the same show of 2008. It carries over-rich dynamic long-nosed, short deck styling and drivetrain layout from the first generation model that first appeared in 1967, but is packed with the newest trends in engineering. The upper-grade SS produces 426 HP 420.2 lb-ft in the 6-speed manual, and 399 HP 410.1 lb-ft in the 6-speed AT. Powered by a modified version of the Corvette LS3 6.2 L V8 engine, it is equipped with a performance suspension kit, LSD, and Brembo brakes to handle the power. And according to the manufacturer specs, it was able to run the Nürburgring Nordschleife in just 8 minutes 20 seconds. On the other hand, the V8 engine utilized an active fuel management system, which cuts off 4 of the 8 cylinders according to driving conditions for increased fuel economy and environmental performance. It marks 24.0 miles per gallon in the US EPA highway mode, which is quite impressive for a car of this type. The 5th generation Camaro, making its comeback since the 4th generation model stopped production in 2002, has none of the negative issues that American cars were infamous in the past. And though it is a very high quality machine, it is priced reasonably low for much less than equivalent cars of its class, and is a very attractive offering.